In this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw from Uphold. And we'll show you how to withdraw cash back to a bank account, and we'll also show you how to withdraw your crypto to an external address for the likes of a hardware wallet. And we'll walk you through the process step by step in this video, trying to make it as straightforward as possible. But if you prefer reading or you need to revisit any step at your own pace, please don't forget to check out our website everybithelps.io, where we've got detailed step-by-step written instructions available. I'll also have a timeline in the video description so that you can jump to specific parts of this tutorial. First, let's take a look at withdrawing our crypto to a hardware wallet. If you're holding your crypto for the long term, it's recommended to withdraw this from a crypto exchange like Uphold to the likes of a wallet, as this will give you more control over your crypto. However, you can also withdraw your crypto to another platform or a crypto address. So let's jump in. First, you're going to need to head across to the Uphold website and log into your account with your email and password. Once you're logged in, choose the portfolio icon located on the left-hand side of the screen. Then head over to Anything to Anything over on the right. From the source, choose the crypto you'd like to send from the list of your accounts. Then under Destination, choose the Bitcoin network from Crypto Networks. And you'll then need to enter the amount that you want to send. Then preview your withdrawal. Here is where you'll need to enter the address of where you want to send your crypto to. And this might be your receive address from your hardware wallet or a deposit address if you're sending your crypto to another exchange or another platform. You'll see that Uphold starts to check the recipient information, because regulations require them to collect recipient details. And it'll ask if you own the account, if you're sending to an individual or a company, and the type of destination too. Then enter the wallet provider name and continue. You'll then see the preview, which includes the address and the network fee. Now, for any transaction to take place on the blockchain or the network, there is a fee involved, and the fee will increase during peak times. So you may need to wait for the congestion to go down or find times when fees are lower. Unfortunately, the fee is just too much for me to continue with this transaction at this moment in time, so I won't go ahead with confirming my withdrawal. Next, we're going to take a look at how to withdraw your crypto to a bank account. There's a couple of different ways that you can sell or trade this. First, I'm going to show you more of an instant swap. And we're going to need to make sure we're under the Transact tab under Anything to Anything. Then in the source field, choose the crypto you want to sell. And in this example, I'm going to choose my Bitcoin account. Then state what you'd like to swap that for. In this case, I'd like to trade this directly into my GBP bank account and essentially cash out. Then enter the amount that you'd like to trade. And if we preview our withdrawal now, it'll give us a summary of our transaction, then market rate, i.e. the price you're selling your Bitcoin at, and the fee. And when you're happy, you can confirm the trade. And the withdrawal transaction will appear under your activity, which you can select from the left-hand side of the screen under the portfolio icon. And this will give you more details in regards to your transaction. But what if you're not in that much of a hurry and you want to wait for the market to reach a certain price point before you go ahead and sell your Bitcoin? Well, in that case, you create something called a limit order. So under Anything to Anything now, let's choose the Limit tab at the top of the screen this time. Then I need to choose the asset that I'm trading from, and that's going to be my Bitcoin account. Then enter the amount in Bitcoin that I'd like to sell or trade, and choose to click to sell. You'll then be asked to enter in a target price, and this is where I can dictate the price when I'd like to sell my Bitcoin. So over on the far left-hand side of the screen at the moment, I can see the current price of Bitcoin is roughly around £53,000. So I can state here that if Bitcoin were to reach £54,000, then I'd like to convert or sell my Bitcoin. And in this way, hopefully I'd make a bit of profit. And I'd like to convert that to my GBP bank account. And you can obviously choose what you'd like to convert your crypto into. It'll also let me know the estimated amount of how much I'm going to get at this price. It then states this is good till cancelled, which means that the order will remain on the order until it's filled or until I cancel it. But you can set specific time limits in here too. If we now preview, it then shows our breakdown. and when we're happy we can confirm the limit order. You can also manage these limit orders by clicking on the icon here. Or you can also find this option under your activity in the far left, and then the Limit tab at the top. And here is where you can view any active limit orders. So if, for example, you wanted to cancel your limit order before it's been executed, you can cancel it from here. And in this way, if you've made a mistake or if the market changes dramatically in the wrong direction, you can click Cancel in the top right, and then Confirm to cancel, which as you can see is now ended. So that's how you can withdraw from Uphold.